Okay, Kate. Okay, please. Okay, Kate, please try to continue this one. So choose and write, complete the short story. So we have here, you choose here, what do you think is the right word for each this one? Okay, go Kate, go Kate, you complete. After that, we will read together. Ah, pwede.
No, teacher.
Okay,
No,
so please answer
teacher.
now. Okay, please.
What answer?
Oh, this one. Oh, can you see? Wait, I will share again. Sorry. Okay, this one. Can you see this? Can you see?
Where?
Okay, this one.
Okay.
Okay, please
Okay.
answer.
Okay.
Oh, there's a went already. The answer is there's a went already. Do not put went.
Okay.
Love is not easy. Hindi ganun kadali yan ha. Oo, masaya magmahal. Pero hindi madali magmahal. It takes a lot of responsibility. Sabi nga ng nanay ko, love is a responsibility that needs an action. Kailangan talaga, huwag na kayo bumalik. learn from my experience. Trinato na ng tama, to tinarantado naman ng tama. Pag tinarantado na kayo, huwag na kayo magpaisa pa. Pag tanga, nabasa ko lang yan dito sa TikTok. And tama naman, it's actually making sense. Pero pag ikaw yung nasa posisyon, sobrang hirap. Kahit lugi ka na, kahit hindi na dapat, kahit masakit na. Yung okay lang yun, yung pain tolerance ko na lang mataas. Lagi, huwag ka mag-alala, magbabago pa yan. What if hindi kasi siya pero ngayon ready na siya. Baka magbago pa, baka pwede pa, isang chance pa. Sige, ano pa yung ibibigay mo na rason pa sa sarili mo para ma-validate lang na pwede mo pa siyang tanggapin ulit kahit alam mo sa sarili mo na hindi lang. Masakit ko naman, gets ko, hello. Napagdaanan ko rin yan. Akala niyo ba bigla lang akong naging ganito? Kasi bobo din ako. At until now, bobo pa din ako. Titin sa pagsasama. Tanga din ako. And until now, tanga pa rin ako. Pero at least now, mas matalino ka ng bobo. At least now, mas matalino ka ng tanga. Kung dati, okay lang lahat. Wala kang pakialam. Ngayon na mas alam mo na, piliin mo na lang yung worth it na sasaktan. Huwag na kayo bumalik. Tama, kung tinarantado lang. Alam mo naman, you shouldn't force anything na mag-miss. Moving on isn't something na nangyayari overnight. Sometimes moving on takes a lot of time. Na parang, it doesn't matter if it's a month, years, decade, it doesn't matter. As long as it's you naman eh. Ikaw naman makakaan.
Sinabi ko yan. Sabi ko nanonood ako sa
Gusto ko yun because honestly, the first key for you to help is to not think. That is the hindi mo na nasasaktan ka. You'll never allow them to think bad emotions. Kasi until such time na parang pakikita mo sa sakit ka. So, yan. Yung pagkakas, ikaw nung ano.
Kapit na. Okay. Answer. So we can finish. Teacher has to eat lunch. Okay, Kate, faster, Kate.
Kawalan ko na daw siya. Nagkakaroon na ako ng ibang perspective dun sa idea na if you wanted to himon, masyado siyang na-overhype, masyado siyang natatanim sa utak ng mga babae na parang gusto niya gagawin niya. So, Mati, pag meron tayong partner, conflict, date, or ganong stage na may mga kami silang hindi nagagawa, medyo nag-turn off tayo kasi di ba nga, if you wanted to, you would. Nagkaroon na ako ng ibang perspective dun sa idea.
Okay, what is the answer for this one? Okay, last Saturday, my grandmother's birthday. She is 75 years old now. We all went to grandma's house. My mom, what is the answer? My mom? What's this? My mom? Kate, what is the answer? My mom? Kate?
I don't know.
Bake a birthday cake. Bake a birthday cake. It means make a birthday cake. My dad, okay, gave a present. What is the present, Kate? What is a present? It's a, Kate, what is a present? It is a new
Newsletter.
Very good. It's a new sweater. Elephant and I made her birthday card. We see what did they song? They sang a happy
Happy birthday.
birthday song. Very good. Okay, Kate. Okay, I have here Kate. Tang. Tang. Can you see Kate? Oh, okay, very good. And great job, Kate. Okay, you cannot see teacher. Okay, so for now, Kate, teacher Anne will say goodbye because I have to eat lunch because I have another class. Okay, bye-bye, Kate. Bye-bye.